Hey guys, if you're thinking of trying out Proton VPN, definitely watch my review to the end because I'll be sharing some basic info as well as my personal opinion on their service. And I'm also sharing a link below that you can use to get a special sign-up deal if you end up wanting to try them out yourself. Okay, now first and foremost, let's talk about privacy, right? So Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, which is a country known for its strong privacy laws. They have a strict no logs policy, meaning they don't keep any records of any of your online activity or actual browsing history. This level of privacy is essential in today's digital landscape where data privacy concerns are at an all-time high. With Proton VPN, you can browse the internet with peace of mind, knowing that your online activities are truly private and actually secure. Now, in terms of actual security features, Proton VPN offers industry-standard encryption protocols like OpenVPN, IKEv2, and IPSec. Now, these protocols ensure that your internet traffic is encrypted and protected from prying eyes. Proton VPN also provides a feature called SecureCore, which routes your traffic through multiple servers in different countries, adding an extra layer of security. This is particularly useful when you're accessing sensitive information or when you're using public Wi-Fi networks, which is a really big way that hackers end up attacking people. Another standout feature of Proton VPN is its commitment to bypassing censorship and accessing geo-restricted content. They have a vast network of servers spread across different countries, allowing you to choose from a wide range of virtual locations. So whether you want to access streaming services, bypass censorship in countries like China, or protect your online activities from surveillance, Proton VPN is a really good choice for any of these. In fact, one aspect that sets Proton VPN kind of apart is their dedication to transparency. They have undergone several independent security audits to verify the integrity and security of their service. This level of transparency is really rare in the VPN industry and demonstrates Proton VPN's commitment to providing a trustworthy and reliable service. Now, when it comes to usability, Proton VPN offers user-friendly apps for different platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. The apps are actually really well designed. They're intuitive and offer a seamless VPN experience. Connecting to a server is as simple as a click of a button, allowing even beginners to use the service right away with ease. And just in case you run into any issues, they also offer really good customer support. Their support team is actually knowledgeable and responsive and pretty much ready to assist you with any issues you may have. And they provide support through various channels, including email, live chat, all that good stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. They're a really solid service. And again, if you want to give them a try, that link down below is your ticket to getting the best sign-up bonus they have available. And I'll see you in the next video.